Nvidia has over 10,000 employees across engineering, legal, marketing, and finance. They are now using GPT 5.5 powered Codex across their entire organization. The result: debugging cycles that used to take days now close in hours. Engineers are resolving terminal deployment issues autonomously. That is not a benchmark. That is a production outcome at the most technically sophisticated chip company on the planet. Today, what GPT 5.5 actually is, why it is the most significant OpenAI release in over a year, the honest benchmarks versus Claude, and why the combination with Codex is the story. I am Mario, this is AI Alpha. Let us get into it. GPT 5.5 released April 23rd. Codename Spud. Not a minor version bump. Here is why. Every model between GPT 4.5 and GPT 5.5 was built on the same architectural foundation. GPT 5.5 is the first fully retrained base model since GPT 4.5. Ground up retraining. Different characteristics, not just better benchmarks. Three things that genuinely changed. Number one, natively omnimodal. Previous multimodal models were separate systems stitched together. GPT 5.5 processes text, images, audio, and video in a single unified architecture. One model, every modality, end to end. Number two, 40% more token efficient than GPT 5.4 in Codex. Same results, fewer tokens, faster responses, lower cost per completed task. Number three, designed for agentic work, not optimized for answering questions, optimized for completing multi-step tasks. Holding context across large systems, reasoning through ambiguous failures, carrying changes through entire code bases. The benchmarks that actually matter. Terminal Bench 2.0. Autonomous terminal tasks. GPT 5.5 scores 82.7%. Cloud Opus 4.7 scores 69.4%. Gemini 3.1 Pro scores 68.5%. GPT 5.5 leads by over 13 points. For Codex use cases, this is the one that counts. OS World Verified. Real computer environment operation. GPT 5.5 scores 78.7. Cloud 78. Essentially tied. Frontier math. Hardest math problems ever assembled for AI. Level 1 to 3, 51.7%. Level 4, 35.4%. SWE Bench. Complex code quality. Cloud Code with Opus 4.7 still scores 80.8%. Quite balanced there. Context window. 1 million tokens in the API, 400,000 in Codex. Large enough to process entire code bases in a single conversation. GPT 5.5 plus Codex. Why this combination is different. OpenAI specifically tuned GPT 5.5 for the Codex workflow. Better results, fewer tokens, same subscription cost. What it actually does in Codex: multi-file context holding, reads the entire code base, understands the architecture, makes changes consistent with patterns already in the code. Not just the file, you showed it. Ambiguous failure reasoning. Build fails with a vague error. GPT 5.5 does not just read the error message. It reasons about what could cause it, checks assumptions, finds the real root cause. Autonomous deployment debugging. The Nvidia story. Engineers describe the issue. Codex inspects terminal output, diagnoses the root cause, applies the fix, and verifies it. No handholding. Days of debugging now close in hours. For vibe coders, describe a feature, GPT 5.5 builds it. The quality of the first attempt is noticeably better than GPT 5.4. Fewer corrections, more complete implementations by the first time. Pricing. The honest version. API $5 per million input tokens, $30 per million output tokens, 20% more expensive per token than GPT 5.4, but 40% fewer tokens to complete the same task. If GPT 5.5 needs one retry where GPT 5.4 needed two, GPT 5.5 is still cheaper overall. Cost per completed task, not cost per token, is the right metric. Access. ChatGPT Plus, Pro, Business and Enterprise. GPT 5.5 is your default model now. Codex available across all paid tiers. API, model string GPT 5.5, 1 million token context, free tier, not available. GPT 5.5 versus Claude, the honest comparison. GPT 5.5 wins on autonomous terminal tasks, 82.7% versus 69.4%. Computer use and OS level operations. Codex integration and surrounding developer workflow. Natively omnimodal audio, video, image, all-in-one model. Cloud Opus 4.7 still wins on complex code quality. SWE bench 80.8%. Deep code-based reasoning with 1 million token context. Writing nuanced and complex multi-part instructions. The practical 2026 setup. GPT 5.5 plus Codex for autonomous terminal and deployment work. Cloud Code plus Opus for hard multi-file coding problems. Claude for writing, strategy, research, complex reasoning. GPT 5.5 released April 23rd, first fully retrained model since GPT 4.5. Natively omnimodal, 40% more token efficient, 82.7 on terminal bench. The new engine inside Codex. Debugging cycles that took days now finish in hours. If you are a developer using Codex, switch to GPT 5.5 today. If you are a vibe coder, your first attempts will be noticeably better. If you are on ChatGPT Plus, it is already your default. You are using it right now. Are you using GPT 5.5 yet? And what is the first thing you are going to test it on? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. And if you want to go deeper on all of this, I run a community called AI University. Plain English AI every single day. Link is in the description. Subscribe for more videos about AI and more. See you in the next one.